Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Owl Labs is the company that's been bringing smart innovations to video conferencing to make remote connections feel more natural. We've been impressed with the Meeting Owl Pro, a stylish cylinder that has a 360-degree camera, microphone, and speaker that can automatically zero in on whoever is speaking without distortion. It works with many video conferencing platforms. Now the company is out with the add-on Whiteboard Owl that makes sharing a whiteboard smarter, even making a person standing in front of it transparent. CEO Frank Weishapt.
It creates a much better experience for that remote participant because they are able to see all the details on that whiteboard and participate as though they were in the room.
It does require a subscription in addition to the hardware. You can see a demo and find more info at owllabs.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.